Yes, honey, Mexican street corn pasta, this vegan life is not as restrictive as they try and make it seem. So I started off with some vegan pepper jack cheese. I have some orange and red bell pepper. Of course, I'm using avocado oil today. I have some vegan cream cheese. And this is my first time trying out this turmeric pasta. It was really good. I have some fresh jalapeno, fresh green onion. And then also I have some frozen sweet corn. Firstly, I'm going to saute my bell peppers. I got inspiration for this recipe from HelloFresh, but they did not have a vegan version. And I'm gonna make my own version. So here we are today. Then I'm going to add some sea salt and black pepper. You're gonna wanna stir all this up, let it cook down. Then I'm gonna add my vegan cream cheese and then some unsweetened cashew milk. So basically we're making like a vegan Alfredo here, but we're doing it with that Mexican twist. So I added in my pepper jack cheese. I stirred everything up and it turns into an Alfredo sauce. Then I added some green onion. Then I'm gonna add my corn, and then we're gonna season this thing up with some paprika. Also some Mexican oregano. And then, add your salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder to taste. Then finally, mix your sauce with your pasta. Literally that simple. Vegan weight loss does not have to be nasty, okay? You want to eat flavorful meals that don't make you miss the meat, that are still fun. This is something that I've never even tried even when I was on a carnivore diet. So this was new to me. It was delicious. It literally tastes like Mexican Alfredo. So I'm very impressed with myself. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Peace and love.
Oh, hello, Papa.